Are you looking to make money online by typing? Well, if you are, you've come to the right spot. So stick around because I'm going to show you how to not only find a job typing, but also how you can even have your own business in typing as well. Stick around. We'll be right back and get started right on that right now. Welcome back to the video. My name is Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com, and if this is your first time here to one of my videos and you've been here before and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. Okay, also, and if it's your first time here to one of my videos or to my channel, what we do here is affiliate marketing videos, how-to videos, anything to do with making money online videos, and once in a while we throw a motivational video in there for you too. Alrighty, like I said in the intro there, I'm going to show you how to start a job where you can do typing at home online for free. And not only that, but you can also pretty much start your own business pretty easily in this too, okay? All right, so let's go ahead and get right in on that. And what we're going to do is come over here on my screen here, and we're going to bring up a website called Fiverr. And if you've ever been on Fiverr.com, as you see the address up here in the address bar there, Fiverr.com. This site's pretty well known on the internet. A lot of people know I have an account here. I'm already logged into my account, in fact, and I love this site myself. I've purchased a lot of typing jobs, a lot of different software type jobs off of this site, and it works very, very good. Now, so what you'd want to do when you come to this site, you just want to come in and you can actually come back here. You can sign up for a free account here. It doesn't cost anything to sign up. You can also post a job on here too. This is how you can also not only get into typing for free online and make money from home, but you can also have your own little business going on right here as well. So this is kind of a 2-for-1 thing here. You can do typing from home online, make money by typing for free, and have your own little business here on Fiverr. There's also another site called Upwork.com that you can check into too, and it's similar to Fiverr. They have freelance writers and things on there as well. But we're going to concentrate on Fiverr today because this site, well, it happens to be one of my favorite sites. But anyways, so you come here. It's free to sign up for an account, and it's free to post a job. So it's free to have your own little business on here with typing. Okay. All right, so what you do is basically just come here and you can just, like, for example, we'll type in typing into their search engine here. And as you can see, you click enter, you press enter or press search, and it comes up and you see all these other folks on here that are offering typing, data entry, this person here, web search, typing as a virtual assistant. So you can do all types of typing work here on this site. But you're offering your service. So if you're a good typer and you can type, anywhere around 40 to 60 words per minute, I'd say you'd be pretty good at this. And your punctuation and your grammar and all that is good, of course, I'm sure, right? And but you can come here and you can see what these people are offering and how much they're offering their services for. Some 10, 5, 10, and some of these are most of these are 5 here on this particular one here, but there's other ones I'm going to show you too on this site that you can get involved in as well. Many different types of typing, which I'm sure you're aware of, that you can do. A lot of data entry service. You can type even blog posts. You can write content for just websites and so on and so forth, and you can do all kinds of other things, which I'll show you here in a moment. But these people are offering their services in typing. This here person says, I'll do typing jobs of 40 pages within 24 hours starting at $5. Now, a lot of these people, too, if, for example, we'll just try one here and see. I don't know. I guess I'll just pick one of these here. If we just pick one, sometimes they have a basic package for $10 here. Then they have a standard package for 15, which they'll do data entry, typing, web search, Microsoft Word, and Excel. So if you're good with Microsoft Word and Excel spreadsheet program with the Microsoft Office suite, you can also upgrade your services and sell those services as well, involving typing. And then some of them, like I said, they also offer different upgraded services, and this person's standard service is 15. And then they have a premium service for 25, and they'll do the same, but it's probably for 6 hours of work. You see the differences here with unlimited revisions and stuff. So starting at $25 with this person here. This person here has a 4.9 star rating with 74 jobs. Currently has 4 orders right now waiting on her in her queue for other jobs. So you can come here and you can do typing jobs and offer, upgraded services and things like that with your typing. And charge, higher prices for whatever else you offer in whatever typing types of services that you want to offer. So this is a really good way to make money online from home by typing. And so not only that you can, there's other things up here too. Now this is under writing and translation. You can do articles and blog posts. If you're into that, click on that and you can see where there's other people offering these services too. They'll do SEO based blogs, articles, be writing articles for people's blogs, website blogs, and you can see the prices that these people are charging too. So see, not only are they getting to do what they love to do, if that's what you love to do is type, and you're looking for that type of a job online at home, then this would be great for you if you like to type for, do copywriting and blog posts and things like that. And you see that the prices that these people are starting at 65 here. Here's one starting at $100. And now the only thing about this is once you get started, it's going to take you some time to build up your reputation. As you can see, this person here has a 5.0 star rating with 649 jobs. She says, I'll write for your blog. And she's pro verified. Now, she's been obviously doing this for a while. And she's worked her way up the ranks and built up her reputation with many different customers that have hired her to do this work. And it's going to take you time to do that same thing too. Once you come here and you start getting yourself known and you get more jobs and people rate you with 5.0 stars, 4.9 stars, whatever, the higher the stars you get, the better your rating, the more money that eventually you can charge for your service. So you want to always try to build your reputation up. Start with your prices smaller first and then build your reputation up higher as you go. Okay? So you can do that. You can do email copy. There's people, if you like writing emails, there's people that will write engaging emails and stuff for people that have email autoresponders and do selling and marketing on email, and they need you to write emails for them if you're good with doing copywriting and that type of thing. That's an excellent typing job there, as well. As you can see, people are offering their services with that. And right here, and charging different prices for that too. And obviously, once you become pro verified on Fiverr here, you can certainly raise your price up. This person's price for the basic package starts at $100, so that's pretty good. As you can see, there's quite a few here. But you see, a lot of these people are building up their reputation now. Here's a person that charges $15 to start, got a 5.0 star rating, but has only had 9 jobs so far since they've been on with Fiverr. So this person is building up their reputation. And then eventually they're going to try to reach this status right here, pro verified, where they can charge upwards of $100 or more to do their jobs with typing and doing different things that have to do with typing. Okay, so that's one thing that you can do there. As you can see, I'm under writing and translation here. And there's lot of different categories here. You can do technical writing, like if you like to write for like uh, computer technical support or computer anything to do with like networking, that type, anything to do with technical writing, you can do that here. You can do website content, translation, script writing, creative writing. Click on that. You can do creative writing or write for courses and do proofreading, creative writing assignments, doing mission statements. A lot of these people are offering different services. So see, it shows you here that the people that are rising talents and so on and so forth. So it's going to take you some time to build your reputation up, but if you stick with it and don't give up, eventually you're going to be able to make a lot of money working right from home, doing typing from home. Alrighty, guys, and that's one thing there. Now another thing is you can come over to different categories. You could be a virtual assistant by doing typing for someone's website or helping them with their WordPress website or whatnot and so on and so forth. You can do data entry type typing. Lots of different things that you can do. If you come here to Fiverr, you can do like greeting cards if you like writing greeting cards. A lot of different things that you can do here on this on Fiverr here. So if you come to Fiverr, sign up for a free account, and then you can begin posting your services, posting your jobs for free, and make this kind of money. I mean, it just takes you some time to build up your reputation, but just stick with it and you'll be just fine. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's what I had for you today to show you how you can make money by typing online free from home, and also have your own little business in this doing that too. So if you like this video, reach over and give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel down there below and click the bell. And also, if you want to see my #1 affiliate marketing business and get the bonuses that I'm offering with it, click down there in the link below where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay, and check that out. Also, I'll let you go, and that's the video for today, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Okay, you guys take care. Talk at you later. Bye-bye now.